you spend hours manually tracking payment verifications, checking Google Sheets, creating tasks in ClickUp, and alerting stakeholders via email or Slack? Let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you how to automate payment tracking with n8n. Let's see how it works. First, the workflow begins when you manually trigger it by clicking Execute Workflow in n8n. You can also set up an automated scheduled time daily or weekly as per your needs. Next, the workflow pulls all relevant lead data from your Google Sheets, including lead name, company name, payment verification status, and open and closed status. Now, the workflow checks if the payment status is marked as open or not open using a conditional check. If false and the payment status is not open, the workflow sends a Slack alert to the team, notifying them that the lead does not require action at the moment and stops there. And if true for leads with an open status, it creates a dedicated ClickUp task for payment verification follow-up. The task includes lead and company details, task type as payment verification, and status as open. This helps your team track pending verifications without missing any leads. Once the task is created, it sends an email confirmation to the designated person responsible for the task. This ensures the right person gets notified to follow up on the payment verification. At the end of execution, you have automatically created tasks in ClickUp for payment verification, email notifications to the responsible team member, Slack alerts for non-open statuses. If you handle a lot of payment verifications or deal with regular updates in ClickUp and Google Sheets, this workflow helps automate the tracking process, ensuring your team is always up to date without manual follow-up. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this. And if you want us to tailor this flow to your needs, drop a comment with your requirements. See you in the next video.